In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Card. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to add clean, consistent underlines to headings, buttons, or body copy using Card's built-in text formatting. Start by opening the Card website and head to your dashboard. If you're not already there, look for the Open Dashboard option. From your list of sites, select the project you want to edit so the builder opens. Once you're inside the editor, click the text block that contains the word or sentence you want to underline. This brings up the text panel where you can type and format content. Now place your cursor at the very beginning of the exact word or sentence you want to style. It's important that there isn't a space between your cursor and the first character of that text. Next, type 2 underscore characters. That's the underscore you get by pressing Shift plus the hyphen key on most keyboards. Those two underscores tell Card to begin the underline. Then move your cursor to the very end of that same word or sentence. Again, make sure there isn't a trailing space after the last character you want underlined. Type two more underscores. You've now wrapped the text with a pair of underscores at the start and a pair at the end, which Card reads as an underline. In the editor or preview, you should see the underline appear. If it doesn't, double check that there are exactly 2 underscores on each side and that there are no extra spaces slipping in before or after your text. When you're happy with how it looks, click Done to confirm the change in that text block. That applies the formatting inside the builder so you can continue editing or preview your page. When you publish or update your site later, the underline will appear live exactly as you see it. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. This works for a single word or a full sentence, and you can include punctuation inside the underline by placing the underscores outside the punctuation. If you're combining styles like italics or links, keep the underscores snug to the text and be consistent with the order of your markers. To remove the underline at any time, simply delete the pairs of underscores. And if you're working with long paragraphs, consider underlining only key phrases to keep readability high. That's it. You've learned the simplest way to underline text in Card using 2 underscores at the start and 2 at the end, then confirming your change with Done.